Guys, wish me luck. I'm going out. I'm actually going to attempt to go to the shop and walk into the shop. It's a small shop, without having to use my crutches and wheelchair. So I'm a bit apprehensive because of my experience of before, where I struggled a lot, but I'm positive I'm gonna do it. I really am. Hier gaat ons. En hier is Happy Spring, guys. Al lyk ek soos winter nog. Let's do this. The weather don't look so good, but we are here at the shop. Oh, the deer. Oopie. Hello. No crutches. Oh yeah, baby. Here I am at the shop. Look at all these things, guys.
Yes, you do get it, but I haven't got. Are you going in this size? Oh, okay. So you're gonna get.
Yo, look at this chips, guys. India's magic masala chips.
1.5 kilos more. Yeah, bring one more.
Chili and lime.
I will get it for you now, sir.
Look at that. Look here, guys, some nice star sweets. Of course, the cheese. I love the cheese. More different cheese. I'm walking, guys. Ooh. And look what's behind me. I'm going to show you now my spices. You can get all my spices here at Cape Town Spice Emporium, Imam Harun Road. Yeah, boy. I'm walking. No crutches. Yep. Chicken dry spice. Got my masala spice, fish and chip spice. Some lekker suurkonfyt. Ooh. Here's all your hot sauces. Look at this. The larger ones. More. Lots and lots of goodies. Then you get your sushi nori, dried lime leaves, dried galanga, special stuff. Guys, here's your pestle and mortars, all kinds and all sizes. These the copper ones as well. Look at that. The big wooden ones. Oh, I love these. Look at that one's there. Okay, I'm gonna get some black eyed beans. Favorites. Okay. Some lapis. Lapis bunches. Must get 2. I don't have butter patches. There's no more butter patches. Yes, the butter patches, guys. Look at this. What's the price though? Can you see? What's that? 200 rand. Let me get the smaller one. Yeah. Okay guys, my storage is running full, so I can only record a few more minutes. Okay, so on the side, okay, there on top you'll see there's lots of big 100-liter pots, less ones, and you can use for the bigger occasions. Yeah, so here I go. Just buy a breaker. What is that? I'm walking. Let me show you what else is here. All the miangstokkies. There is one I really love. Where is it now? Okay, I've always loved these. Always. Favorite. And now where's the other one? Okay, let me show you. Lots of miangstokkies. Okay, and I normally get my curry leaves here. There we go. Pine nuts. Wow. I did it, guys. I did it. 3 bags full. 3 bags full. Oh, die wind. Anyways, ek is baie brekerig. I'm so happy. Oh, die kar is op. Is dit? Nee, is die oppie. I did it. I did it. I did it. Now I'm gonna go home, unpack, get into bed, and watch a lekker movie. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again. Hey, die karre amper in ons. And I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys. Skief ek hoor. Die camera so skief. Anyways. Bye everyone.